Hey everyone, I want to show you my science fair. My science fair is about glue. I will determine which glue works the best. Elmer's store-bought glue, homemade glue made from skim milk, and homemade glue made from soy milk. Here's how you make the glue, homemade glue. So you take a saucepan and you put 2 cups of skim or soy milk in it, and then you also want to put 6 tablespoons of vinegar. Then you want to put it on a stove on low. Stir it, have it on low for 2 minutes, but you want to stir it every 30 seconds. Then after 2 minutes is up, or when it looks like it's gotten lumpy, you can do a little longer. You want to strain it into a strainer under a sink, and then what is left in your strainer is what you use as your glue. Here's what you do when you glue the stuff. I glued beads, paper, and yarn. What I did was I took the paper, then I would dab little bits of glue on each corner. Couple really tiny dabs. And you would dab each corner. Then take your other sheet and lay it on top. Then you would let this dry for 30 minutes. How you glue the beads is you take one bead and you dab a bit of glue on it, so it has about this much glue on the thing. Then you want to take your other bead and you want to put it on there together so it's like this. You might want to hold it for a little bit so it stays more stable and it won't fall apart and get glue everywhere. Or the dabber glue, that's on it. And for the yarn, you're going to want to take a piece of paper and then you glue the yarn to that. How I put on the glue was I made a really thin line where I wanted the yarn to be. And then I just put it down. And then I take the 6-inch long yarn and place it on the line like so. Then you're going to want to let this dry for 30 minutes. So then after it's dried for 30 minutes, you want to take your paper or your yarn or your beads. I'm going to start with paper. Then you're going to have someone, or you can do it yourself, use a stopwatch to see how long it takes for it to pull apart all the way. So that's what I'm going to do. I take a little piece that I can hold on to, and I slowly pull apart the paper. And I try to use even force through the whole process. Once it's split into 2 pieces, you're going to want to stop the wash immediately. Then you're going to take your beads. This one definitely doesn't take as long. You take the 2 beads and then you slowly pull apart until it's like that. The beads do not take very long to pull apart. Then you're going to take your yarn and you're going to slowly pull apart this while someone's using a stopwatch to time it. You slowly pull apart and try to have an even force through the whole time. Well, this one was strong. So then you want to stop it immediately after it's off the paper or before it tears it. So my hypothesis was that the homemade skim milk glue would work the best, but I was wrong. The Elmer's glue worked the best out of the 3. So if you're ever stuck between if you want to make glue or if you want to buy glue, if it's important for you, like an important project, I say just go ahead and buy Elmer's glue. It's the best glue out of the 3 glues. Okay, bye.